let's talk about how to properly deep clean quartz countertops. Now, whether you have really stubborn stains that just don't seem to lift no matter what you use to clean, or you haven't done a thorough scrubbing, deep cleaning of the quartz countertops in a while, here is a great effective way to polish those, making them look brand new again. All right, let's look at it. If you got these annoying stubborn stains on your quartz countertops like the one I'm showing you here, you will know that you can scrub it until the cows come home. You can use sponges, you can use soap, and you can use other things that are stronger, including this all-purpose cleaner that I will show you. You can scrub, but I'm going to show you right now, even after doing all that scrubbing, the stain simply remains. So the annoying part about quartz countertops is that everything else might look clean, but those things will just pop right out at you. And so many people don't know how to properly clean it. So here's what you do. Melamine sponges. They're basically like magic erasers, just for a fraction of the price, but that's basically what it is. Now look at the big difference here. This is how you polish and deep clean quartz countertops fast and effective. Look at the color difference. This is shocking because one is brand new again and the other section looks like it was deemed clean, but clearly it is not. Look at all that dirt that got transferred onto that sponge. So if you're looking to do a very nice deep cleaning, whether it is in your own home or if you have a cleaning company and you want to do this for a client, this will definitely shock them. The only thing to keep in mind, melamine sponges are safe to use on quartz, but not on granite or marble countertops. That will definitely cause some damage. There it is again, just to show you the big difference. Look at that. Now remember, these are melamine sponges. I will have a link for you guys in the description below. These are basically magic erasers, but you can buy them in bulk on Amazon and other places for a fraction of the price.